Welcome. Welcome to Quill and Chill with Trupti. My name is Trupti More. I am paper quilling artist. How are you doing today? I hope you are enjoying your day. So let's start. Let's start with the things that I did last week. You may have remembered that last week I showed you how to make combing multi-layer flowers. So here is the flower that I showed you. Isn't it beautiful? I hope you tried this flower and you enjoyed making this flower. So this is the flower. I use pink color. You can use any kind of any different color that you want. And I'm gonna frame this in 5 by 5 inch frame. Or you can just glue this on the canvas. And when you put on the canvas, don't forget to spray with UV acrylic spray so that the color of strips will remain as it is. It will not fade. And if you are gonna frame it under the glass, you don't have to spray it, but it's up to you. If you want, you can spray it. But usually I don't spray the my work which goes in the frame. But it's up to you again. So this is the flower I made. Now, last time I forgot to show you two frames that I made. Let me share the pictures of them because I already gave them. Okay, so here it is. So here is the O. Uh, So this is the different design I used it. Usually I use scrolls and lines, but this time I just use lines. I made sections and then I divided those sections in different colors. So I use maroon, yellow, shades of yellow, orange, and red. So usually I like these colors in my home because usually in India we use these colors for the home. But uh, this home will look in good in any other colors too. So this is one, and then another one is this memento that I made for Washington DC Seva International Washington DC chapter for the lead event. So every month they have their monthly meeting uh, where experts comes and they give lectures to the teens. So this time. Mr. Harsh was there, so I made this memento for him. So I forgot to show you guys these two frames last time. Now you may have remember that I started working on the O in mandala, another O. So I didn't finish it, but you can see here. So this is 8 by 8 frame, and I just keep Om white as it is. I didn't do anything in it. And I use beehive techniques in the circle. And if you see, I just use on edge technique, means I just use single strips to fill the petals. So to make this, it took me around 2 hours. Now I have to make three more petals. So I time it for one petal. It is taking me around 25 minutes. So you can imagine it will take me more 75 minutes to finish this O. I'm thinking of using white frame, but I don't know. What do you think? White or black frame will look good in this? Please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your feedback. So I think for next live, you will see the final product here. So So today, what I'm gonna teach. So I see I'm in Washington, near Washington DC area, and I see a lot of cherry blossom here. I love these flowers. So I thought, why not teach how to make these beautiful flowers? So today I'm gonna teach you how to make these beautiful cherry blossom flowers. So let's start. Before that, let me connect my docu camera. Mhm. So that we can. Okay. So let me start sharing this. Mhm. Okay. Yes. So here you go. So you're gonna learn how to make these beautiful cherry blossom flowers. So for these flowers, I'm gonna use regular 8 by 11, so regular 11-inch paper strips, pink color. So this is cherry blossom, but you can make different color flowers too. So take one strip. I'm gonna use half strip because I want to make a small flower. So take one strip, fold into half. Fold into half and then cut it. Now take slotted tool, insert strip in it and keep just tiny bit strip out like this and then start rolling it. You can hold like this and start rolling it. Don't give a lot of pressure while rolling it. Then remove it and keep it in circle sizer. So I'm gonna make small flowers. So I'm using small circles. If you're gonna make big flowers, you can use big circles. So put tiny bit glue, wait for some time. Until then, I made few more loose coils already. So let me show you how you can make petals. So take one loose coil and find the seam, the part where you glue the end and pinch it there like this. So you have teardrop here. Now what you're gonna do? Take a teardrop. We're gonna make heart shape. Take a teardrop and then what you're gonna do? Take a slotted tool and hold it like this and press it. Press it gently, and when you press it, you can loose your finger so that tool will go almost to the end and then remove it. So this is sorry. So this is heart shape. Let's make, I will show you again. So take a loose coil. Then find the seam and press it, pinch it. So you have teardrop. Once you have teardrop, what you have to do? We are gonna make eye shape, sorry, a heart with this. Hold it like this and press it gently. Let the finger open and press it down. like this, and let it open. You know the heart, it has a round, it has a round shape, right? Not corner. So you have to be careful when you press it. Don't press it too hard. It should be rounded like this. Okay. Now my two hearts are ready. Let me finish my more heart. See, four, and then five. So five hearts are ready. Now I'm gonna make middle part of the flower. So I'm gonna take just a little bit small piece and then roll it. I'm gonna make a tight coil and glue the end. Hold it for some time. And remove it carefully. Now let's assemble these petals. For that, we need foam board or any cardboard. You can cover that cardboard with paper, sorry, plastic wrap, or you can put that in the Ziploc bag. And we also need some pins. I like to use pins when I assemble my flowers, butterfly or anything, so that all my shapes will remain at one place. So take tight coil, push pin like this. Then let's glue petal. Apply glue around one petal and glue it. And then push pin. So like this, you can glue all the petals. As I told you, you can, if you want, you can make bigger flowers. For bigger flowers, you can use full strip. And for small flowers, you can use half strip or quarter strip. And glue it. So wait for some time to dry it. And once it dry, you can remove this pin. While removing pins, you have to be very careful. Hold your fingers like this. And then hold your fingers like this and then remove pins slowly. And then your flower will be ready. Now this is flat flower. If you want to give 3D effect, what you can do, once it little bit dry, hold it like this and press it like this for some time. And then you will have little bit 3D effect to your flower if you want to see. So my flower is little bit wet, but if you see, this is not a flat flower. It has little bit 3D effect.
So you can give 3D effect to any flower like this. So glue all the petals first. Wait for some time. Don't allow the glue dry completely. When it's little bit wet, take it out and then hold flower like this, or you can use your circle sizer and put it like this, and you can press it like this, or you can keep any heavy object here and keep it like this for some time. So you will have shady effect to the flower. So like this, you can make different flowers and decorate them as a book. You can use them for a bookmark, cards, ornaments, or you can frame it. You can make a jewelry with this, and uh, I think, yeah, you can also make magnet with this. Or if you are gonna make some Easter egg decoration, you can just cut out the cut paper with this egg shape, or you can cut it like bunny shape, and you can make some flowers and arrange these flowers in it. Add some leaves, or you can add butterflies here and glue it here, and it will look beautiful. What do you think? Isn't it? Okay, so let me stop sharing my screen so that.
Okay. So I hope you enjoy today's live, and I hope you will make these cherry blossom flowers. If you make these cherry blossom flowers, don't forget to take a picture and share with me. I would love to see your creations. And if you want to learn something different, something new from me, don't forget to email me or send message or write comment anywhere. I would love to teach you new things. So till then, keep quilling. Bye bye.